Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Charge the Xbox controller and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, put the controller in pairing mode by holding the guide and sync buttons. Make sure your phone is scanning. If your device supports USB-C OTG, plug the controller directly for a wired connection instead. You do this because direct or Bluetooth connections avoid input lag and let the game detect standard X input signals. Now move on to making the phone and game recognize the controller. You pair first, then confirm the controller appears as Xbox wireless controller in Bluetooth. Once connected, open Delta Force Mobile and check the input settings. Enable controller support if the option exists. If the game doesn't natively support every input, use a mapping app to translate controller buttons into touch actions. Map primary fire to RT, aim to LT, movement to left stick, and reload to X. Take your time mapping and test in a private match, because precise binds reduce input conflicts and give you consistent aim and movement. You finish by validating every control in a short training session. Check movement, aim sensitivity, and trigger responses, then tweak dead zone or sensitivity to remove drift. If you see latency or dropped inputs, reboot the controller and phone, repair over Bluetooth, or use a wired OTG cable to confirm it's not wireless interference. If mapped buttons act unpredictably, clear the mapping app cache or delete and remake the profile. That single step usually resolves incorrect bindings and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.